Hey guys, what's up? This is Theo here, and welcome back to lesson 4 of the Free Code Camp Responsive Web Design Certification. We're on basic CSS, and today we will be doing lessons 16 to 20. So we're going to go to adjust the padding of an element. We're going to go 5 lessons deep, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to add different margins to each side. So let's get to it. Go ahead and reset this code here. Alright, so change the padding of your blue box to match that of your red box. Okay. So this needs to match that. Let's look at the difference. This has 20, this has 20, and that should do it. So when I'm saying 20, this is the same as saying 20 pixels top, 20 pixels right, 20 pixels bottom, 20 pixels left, right? So same sort of idea there. Let me take that out so we can show it. This is just the shorthand. So cool. Let's go ahead and run that. Good to go. Alright, next one. Your blue box class should give elements 20 pixels of margin. So the way I like to differentiate between margin, this is the controls the amount of space between an element's border and the surrounding elements, right? So margin is like the space between the element and other elements, whereas padding would be like the space between the text and the element itself, right? It's like creating a bubble. So your blue box should give elements 20 pixels of margins. So let me change that. And again, shorthand. Let's run that. Good to go. Your blue box class should give elements negative 15 pixels of margins. So when we're doing a negative margin, let's just try it out. So we'll just do margin top, negative 10 pixels. And you'll sort of see that we're able to push it up, almost like positioning it relatively, right? So again, this is more of like a hack. I don't really recommend this. I'd recommend doing something more of a position relative, right? Sometimes these are inevitable depending on the layout that you might be asked to create within your job. But generally, I wouldn't say it's like, I don't know, that applauded to do it. So we say negative 15. Cool. And so we can sort of see that by doing that, we were able to add on padding to the sides, right? Cool. So next one, your blue box class should give the top elements 40 pixels of padding. Okay. 20 pixels of padding. So we'll just say padding, and we're going to do, remember the shorthand. Here's the top. Here's the right. Here's the bottom. And 40, 20. And I think we should just be able to do this, right? 40, 20 pixels, 40 pix. 40 pixels, 20 pixels. Let me make sure that's right. Or sorry, 40, 20. I guess not, huh? I don't think it. Maybe I have that shorthand wrong. Okay. Let me just change it out. So we'll do 40 pixels, 20 pixels. 20 pixels, 40. Oh, I think because I had it the other way. Yeah. Let's go ahead and run that. Good to go. And last one is add different margins to each side of an element. Blue box should give the top elements. So we'll do margin is going to be 40 pixels, 20 pixels, 20 pixels, and 40 pixels. Cool. Let's go ahead and run this. Good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.